Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Thursday and marks another trading day of the week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have GDP at 12:30 and also unemployment claims. So with GDP, we're expecting positive unemployment claims. We're expecting positive prelim GDP price index, we're expecting neutral. Pending home sales, we're expecting positive. All right, so that's the news we have for today. Now let's go back to the charts. Yesterday was crazy, right? Yesterday we had 3 solid buys, of which the first buy gave only 80 pips, the second buy gave 110 pips, and the third buy gave massive 215 pips. All right, that was crazy. Okay, so let's figure out one zone buying 3 times. It's been a long time since I did such thing, but of course, you're going to be doing. Anyways, so daily, what is happening? Now, if you look at daily, you can see that we have 3 consecutive bullish engulfings, right? 1, 2, 3. So if the market decides to spike, then nobody can stop it. It's kind of spike, go, breaking this shit resistance right there. And then you see that it's keep pushing and that way, right? Okay, that's fine. So what exactly is going to happen today? Yeah, so you can see that the market managed to break this level yesterday, right? Yeah, it managed to break yesterday to the upside. So can we expect a pullback for a continuation push? Despite the fact that we are having this, you can see clearly we have a resistance and the market is sitting on the resistance. Are we going to break the resistance to go higher? Or we are going to respect the resistance to sell more? Or back to the buy zone again? What is going to happen? So both can happen, actually. So what we need to do is patience and watch and see what exactly we can do. Right. Now, when you come to H4, you can see that H4, after the strong push, the market has managed to give a bearish engulfing, right? A bearish engulfing. So does it mean that it's going to drop all the way to the downside before the push to the upside? If you look at it, it is likely for it to touch the 81 zone or can even come back to yesterday's buy, the 77, 78, because that's also a nice buy there. Right. Can we get a trend line right there? Yeah. Let me try and see if it makes sense. Okay. So this is how the trend line may look. So for now, I'm not sure it's of use. Okay, so according to H4, we have H4 resistance right there. We have H4 support right here. Here. So these are the support and resistance. And we have a minor one where the market has tested. So is it going to respect that one and continue on flying, or what exactly is going to happen? Let's go to H1. Now, when you go to H1, you can see that where the market has respected is a demand. Rally, base, rally. So that is the base. The market has respected the base, and you can see it has pushed some pips. So what should we expect? Should we expect a falling down? If it is falling down, then what we will be waiting for is this. All right. We will be waiting to see this happening so that we can buy the market to the upside. So let's observe. And in that case, I will target 34.10. Right, as my target. That is a 300 pips movement. 1 to 6 RR. All right. So what we need is patience. But what if it doesn't happen this way? What if it doesn't happen this way? If it doesn't happen this way and the market during the lending session, the market still respect this area, then we may look for a buy to break this resistance. Okay. So all we need is just patience. Okay. Just patience. And we will get something nice to trade. So either the market is dropping back to this zone for us to buy, or it has respected this, so it will keep buying. So if that happens, and then we get kind of breakouts, if we get a breakout to this level and it drops, then we can actually take a buy from there. You understand? So for now, all we need is patience. But I'm positive, expecting the 81 level to 78, 77 to be touched for the buy. There is where I really want to buy from. All right. So let's watch 30-minute chart. Now, if you look at 30 minutes, 30 minutes has presented a nice buy. As you know, you see the morning star, the opening of this candle, the market pulls back here. That's a nice pattern for a buy. And also we have two, so we're going to have two zones, the bullish engulfing and the morning star. So we just have to wait and see which of them is going to respect the market. All right. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you like the video, comment and share as well. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. Manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.